Casey!
Good morning!
I am back with another vlog. Ay, bakit ang taas? Guys, ngayon, ang gagawin namin sa school is enhancement drill tsaka course orientation. Tama, hindi pa sure sa amin kasi depende kung saan kami dito. Wala siyang pasok tapos pumasok siya. Saan pa nga? Pitpitan mo.
Sabihin ni Kuya, aga-aga. Scandalous.
Guys, tignan nyo to guys. Ayan siya guys. Nasa parking na kami. Hala, si Goku. Ay, bababa lang. Wait lang. Ala, sasakay.
Ha? Ay, bigla ako naunahan nung ano eh. Baliw. Si Ella wala pa.
Ri, hi ka muna. On the way na. Ay, good morning. Isang good morning naman dun, Ri. Good morning. Ay. Guys, dito kami mag-entrance sa kabila kasi Sabado. Sarado yung isa. Kaya ngayon ako din eh. Dorothy. Ito yung school namin. Do you want a house tour? Talaga? Saan tayo?
Private pool. Ito, nasakit ko.
Media Noche. Guys, nakita niyo na ba si Taylor Swift? Namamahinga siya. Oh my God. Manifestation works. Bakit ka nandito?
Yung vlog mo.
Acute kidney failure, kay injury, tsaka yung yung coronary kinenero, tinulaan ko lang ako na. Ayoko na overthink din.
Bye, Elamle.
Bye! Ingat guys! Day in the life of a nursing student.
Sabihin mo na, this is...
This is... Shy! Waking up beside you, I'm alone again. I can't contain this anymore. I'm all yours, I got no control, no control. Tell me I'm screwed up first, that I never listen. Tell me you don't want my kiss, that you need your distance. Tell me yes. No one in the world deserves this, but here I am, asking you for one more chance. Till we fall, one more time. Stop the tape and rewind. Oh, and if you walk away, I know I'll win, 'cause there is nobody else. It's gotta be you, only you. It's gotta be you.
Jet Bernabethlin Bernardo. Please proceed to Casey Juridico Valenis. Please proceed to X-ray.
Wait lang po.
Dito na si Gano, may ibang challenge na pala bagong gising. Jollibee!